Hey guys, it's Big Dave. Welcome back to the garage tonight. We're hanging out at the Hi.tech.redneck channel. Before I forget, if you like my stuff, click that subscribe, the like, the thumbs up, the bell notification. It'll let you know whenever I'm going to have a new video out. So today we're hanging out here in the garage because I talked to Airmoto the other day. I've been seeing a lot of their ads for tire inflators on Facebook and whatnot, so I reached out to them and I told them I'd like to do a review on one if they'd send me one. So in full disclosure, they did send me a free one to check out. So tonight we're going to do an unboxing and check it out and see what we got. Alright, so we're going to cut the box open, check it out, see what we've got. And they did send me one free of charge to check it out. I told them I'd like to do a review on one. I have a tire inflator for my motorcycle that I carry with me right now, but this thing looks like it was going to be much smaller and much more convenient. So let's check it out and see what we get. It's packaged pretty well. There's my paperwork. So there we have it. The Airmoto Smart Air Pump. I haven't opened this yet, so we're going to go ahead and check it out. The back, it says portable and compact, LED lighting, fast inflation. So it has a picture on here for, you could pump up basketballs and whatnot, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires. Aren't they both bicycles? Cars. So later on we'll do another video and check it out and see how long it takes to fill a car tire. But for right now, I just want to check it out and see what we got. Okay, first off, let me say that the box was smarter than me. You have to tear that along there to get the box open. I thought maybe you could slide it or something, but apparently not. So we have the instructions, which we will read later. Airmoto. Pool air hose. Oh, you push a button on the bottom, they said. Oh, so there's the air hose. Pull that out. And we will thread that right in there. Let's turn it on and see if we got any juice. Looks like it needs charged. Oh, I just had to hold it. You hold it down a second. Oh, it shows that it's showing fully charged. Good to know. What else is in the box? So you've got a carrying case for it. Different inflating tools for balls, beach balls, that kind of stuff. And a USB charger. So it's got USB-C. Cool. Keep all this right in the bag. Sweet, so that's what's all in the box. I will be doing another video where we're going to check it out and see how long it takes to air up a car tire. Check back with me for that one. But in the meantime, this is what we got. We'll go through the instructions in another video. Just wanted to show you the unboxing. Alright, so that was the unboxing. Show you what we had in the box, and we'll go through all the instructions later on in another video. Just wanted to show you today what's in there, what to expect. But yeah, check back with me. We'll see how long it takes to air up a car tire. And so hit that like notification, or the bell notification, like, subscribe, hit all the things, and then you'll find out when we do the next video. Till then, y'all take it easy. Take care of each other. Love ya. Mean it.